I don't need patterns, I don't need names. I read price action straight, knowledge, no games. Retail get trapped, but I see where they run. Stop hunting weak hands, man, I already won. Zoom in low, then I zoom out wide. Catch that sweet spot, then I ride that tide. Risk control tight, never blow my account. Small wins daily, watch the profits mount. Trade like a boss, yeah. Stacking these wins. Market go up, market drop, I'm locked in. Ain't no luck, I just study the game. While they lose bags, I'm increasing my game. Complicate trades, I keep mine clean. Leverage real light, but my vision stay mean. No fake gurus, just facts that I preach. I wanna get rich with you not off your feet. So when the market shakes, I don't stress, I don't run. I move like a pro, yeah, the work already done. Trade intuition, I'm ahead of the game. And if you follow the plan, you gon' do the same.
All right, let's go in 3, 2, 1. Bingo bango, bingo and a bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. Just give you a heads up, if you want to watch a show prior to mine, strongly recommend going to Crypto Blood, but his name on here is Red Nugent. So give you a heads up on that. Let me go ahead and put his stuff in here. I was watching him. And he does go live, so let's go and put Crypto Blood in here. It's going to be in the chats. There we go. Oh, you like the song? Awesome. Thank you. Yeah, I was working on some songs last night. So definitely check out my buddy. Let him know I sent you too. Let him know I sent you. Now let's go ahead and come over here to the Crypto Bubbles. Crypto Bubbles. I didn't know. I don't remember if I did an introduction. Well, hello, my name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without the complicated terms, pattern memorization. If I slur, it's not because I've been drinking, it's because I haven't slept. So right after this stream, I'm gonna take me a little nap. Been up all night. I was trading, what was I trading? I was trading Bitcoin and Pi. I was trading those two last night. And of course I did a live stream last night too, and then started trading. So it's been pretty crazy. All right, here we go. So we do have the Crypto Bubbles on the daily. It's kind of up. So this means, is Bitcoin going up? Let's check on the hour. Down. So more than likely Bitcoin's going down. And we'll check that in just a second. Let's go to the Fear and Greed Index. Let's go and refresh this. We are looking at the stock market. It's 20, extreme fear. Let's go to the crypto. It's 45. Wow, up 11 points. That's crazy. That is absolutely bonkers. It's bonkers. Let's see here. So special shout out to Uncle Jesse. He was first. Special shout out to Uncle Jesse. Definitely smash the like. Sin was second. Thank you, Sin, for being here. Then of course we have Crypto City. What's up, my man? Appreciate all of y'all for being here. Let's see here, for all of y'all, we're going to give you one single, all three of y'all together. And we're going to do it. Up. Like, where's the round of applause? Thank you guys for being first, second, and third. Appreciate you guys very much for being here. Let's go and get started. Let's see here. Let's look at the liquidations heat map. We got Dynamite in the house. What's up, Dynamite? Appreciate you, man, being here as well. See here. Let's go to refresh this one more time. It's gonna be in the 24-hour time frame. Man, Bitcoin. Jeez, come on, Bitcoin. Bitcoin took all this liquidity down here, and it's rough. We have a lot up here, but it just took it all down here. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. Do we have any? We have some starting to build up at 81,891, and we still have some more down here right at 8204. So which way is it going to go? We will find out by using our levels, because that's what we do here. We trade based off of levels. This is the liquidation, total liquidation. So the longs got annihilated. 11.32 million the last hour. Last 4 hours, 37.25 million. Then the last 12 hours, longs just got wrecked. And then the 24-hour, they were kind of pretty much neck and neck. Now, if you're new here, how do I trade? I use the smart money concepts. I go based off of supply, demand, market structure, order blocks, fair value gaps. I also use the ICT method, which is inner circle trading. This is the composite man, market makers, liquidity. This is all the stuff that I trade on, but I make it really easy though when I do it. So let's go ahead and go to the charts. So these are the charts, and this is what we were looking at last night. This is very messy. We're going to clean this up just a little bit. Very messy. Now we were looking at this last night, and price action was here, and this is my thought process last night. I said, more than likely to come down, and I like doing live trades, so you kind of see what I'm doing when I'm doing it. I went down. Whoa! Oh, holy moly! Thank you. And the camera fund. Oh, love you, Alexander G. Yes, thank you so much for giving it to the camera fund. You're the best. You are the best. So I rebooted my computer too, because the camera had messed up and I haven't used the camera. Oh, I was live last night, and I right before the stream I was like, let me check my camera, and it froze again. So then I rebooted my computer. That's funny. So last night I was saying the price was here. It looks like it wants to roll over, take all this, but nobody knows. I mean, it can easily go up from here. It could easily go up and continue up. But last night I was like, man, this looks too good to not come down. So I'm thinking, come down, come up, come down. Sure enough, last night started coming down, went up, came down, went up again, and then came down. Now I'm not gonna lie, guys. You know, this morning we're right here, and they were saying about the PPI information coming out, and I was like, you know what? Well, first, because of this. And I was already out of the trade. I'm like, I'm gonna short it. I'm gonna short it because this still looks really good. And yes, you know, we've had some ups and downs, but that's what I was planning. So I'm gonna short it. So I'm shorting, and right as Alex O Crypto goes live, he mentions, or rather he reminds everybody about the PPI. It's like, oh, dang it, I forgot about that. I was out, you know what, I'm gonna let it ride. Let's see, hopefully it comes down. Sure enough, boom, it went up. It's like crap. And it's like, okay, well, because of the bullish data, but I didn't realize it was not bullish because it was 0%, but that was actually a lie. They always revise the numbers. Man, I don't like that. So I'm thinking, oh, the numbers are 0, so that's very bullish. So we come and we dip and we start coming up. I take a long, very high leverage, and it goes up, comes down, bounces up again, no problem. Boom, stopped out. Like, oh crap. All right. Well, it's still bullish. Maybe they were just taking out these, you know, this wick. So it comes down, it starts coming up. I enter the long again, very tight stop loss. I'm talking super tight, stopped out. Then it comes down again, starts coming up. I enter again, very tight stop loss, like literally like right under the price. And then boom, stops me out again. It's like, man. And it starts coming up as I'm not trading anymore. Because now it's almost to the point of like revenge trading. But what I'm doing here is I'm trying to catch that bounce. Extremely high risk because one, I'm not waiting for the break of a high, but I'm trying to catch the bottom. Trying to catch the bounce. And sure enough, I got stopped out several times, you know, lost decent amount of money just on this. But this was my original plan. But the dumb PPI, it messed me up. Not making excuses, but giving reasons. And then sure enough, I see it rolling over. It's like, it's too late. I mean, it already took up the move that I wanted. This was the move that I wanted. I already took it. So now in order for me to short, what I have to do. So one thing that I love doing is I love giving you my thought process, whether I win or I lose. I love giving you my thought process so that, you know, maybe did the same thing. Maybe you did the same thing and you're like, well, you know, let me try to catch the bottom. And it's extremely high risk, but man, when it pays off, it pays off. For example, here, you know, if, you know, you had caught this, man, huge gains. And that's exactly what I was trying to do. It didn't work out. And then after a few times, like, okay, I can't do it anymore. I mean, I could, but I don't want to, because now it's to the point where it's like, it's kind of revenge trading. And, you know, trying to make up the money I lost. It's like, no, can't do that. So, I mean, it's pretty much come down here to where I wanted to go to originally. Now, my thought process is wherever it stops. Oh, I even did a circle where I wanted it to go. So this was from, I believe, yesterday's live stream on the afternoon live stream. I believe I mentioned this. Either that or on Piper's show at 4. I do a lot of shows. If you haven't noticed, I do a lot of shows. So happy you guys are here. Thank you guys for smashing the like. You guys are the best. And let me know if you like just me explaining the thought process. If you do, put a 1 in the chat. If it doesn't really matter, you put a 2. But for me, I think it's important to go over the thought process of what happened, whether it's a successful trade or not. But let me know, do you think it's helpful me explaining this? Put a 1. If you put a 2, I'm not going to get offended. You can actually change your thing. If you put a 1 and you're like, okay, you're not going to get offended, you can put a 2. So just so that you know, and I never get offended, guys, never get offended. But what I would like to see is let's just say the price does come down a little bit more, maybe even take up this. Like, just get it. And then I want to see this come up, and then I'll probably draw a trend line. And then as it starts coming down, I'll probably enter a short. Because right now, Bitcoin is still not looking good. Until it starts breaking highs, you know, I can't enter longs. But so let me delete this one. Let me delete this one. And I'm going to leave this one here so I can show that on the Piper Academy show. So let me go ahead and take that off and take that off. Let me say hi to the chat. I haven't been in the chat in a little bit. Let's see. There's a lot of talking. Okay. Going down the list. Let's see. What a banger this song. Good, man. Hey, I have another banger towards the end of the show. I have another song, and I think you're going to like it. I love it. Hopefully y'all like it. But that's at the end of the show. See, here we got Wes in the house. What's up, Wes? Appreciate you, man, being here. Dave P in the house. Thank you guys for being here. You guys are the best. You guys are the absolute best. See here. See, I have to know how to add commands. Yeah, I don't know how to do that. That's just too complicated for me. See, oh, so y'all do like it. Okay. Yes, a little rain is good. Good day. All right, good stuff. Hey, Ernie, what's up, man? Appreciate you. All right, so let's zoom out. Where is this? Okay. So let us zoom out. Let's go to the daily time frame. And again, this is really good just to kind of zoom out and see what's going on. These are our main levels. These are our main levels. Once it broke this, you know, now we're bearish. We're going to be bearish until it finds support, maybe here and coming up. But as long as it's here, we're bearish. If it breaks below it, even more bearish. So let me go ahead and hide these as well. Let's go and do our daily and our weekly. So right now, we are currently underneath. I don't want to see that. Let's go to our SMA daily. That's what I want to see. We're still underneath our daily. Are we going to go above it? That is a good question. That is a good question. So we do have our trend lines. These are from the previous cycle. And we have the yellow line, which is our 200 SMA on the daily. Regardless of what time frame I go on, this is always going to be the daily. We came down, we started coming up, and right when we look like we're getting to hope, coming down. Now, I don't see any reason for it not to hit this between 73 and 68. And the level that I have that's kind of in the middle is 71,870. I don't see any reason why Bitcoin won't come to this level. But again, you know, we have to go on the lower time frames to see maybe it's going to come down to here or maybe here and come up. Like we gotta look on that. But I mean, everything is bearish. It's very bearish right now. Yeah, no problem, Uncle Jesse. Appreciate you, man. Let's see here. But if it does come down and breaks this level, let's see here. Our level that now we are watching, change the color to blue. Now the level we're watching is 78,595. If it breaks this level, then of course we have an extremely strong chance of hitting 71,780. Extremely strong chance. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame so we can see more ups and downs. You can see this 200 SMA is right now it's serving as really strong resistance. Now, even though I just mentioned it's really strong resistance, this is the daily, even though we're on the 4-hour time frame, this is the daily moving average, 200. Even though I mentioned very strong resistance at the moment, just know that it still holds a level 4 on the strength for me, 0 to 10, as far as how strong the resistance is, because it's a moving average. It's an average of the candle body closes. It can easily go above it. For example, here it easily broke below it, easily broke above it. So this could potentially break above this and then now be above the 200 SMA. But right now it's underneath. We have this level that broke right at 81.6. And if it's gonna, in my opinion, I mean, nobody knows, if it's going to bounce up, it would, shoot, man, it'd have to do it right now. Let's go to a 1-hour time frame. You'd have to do it right now. Yeah, this is what I'm looking at. If it's gonna bounce. Now, one thing, okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, we see this straight move. On the 1 hour, you see more ups and downs and maybe sideways action. But if we were to draw the fib retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top, boom, see that? That's the level I want to see a bounce. Now, the level that I'm looking at for the bounce is roughly right around, well, let's mark it out on the chart. And we'll use this wick right here. And we'll do it in white since it's close. And then we will do, now we'll do the candle body close. Right there. So this is pretty much right in the golden pocket, 0.5618. And this is where I want to see a bounce. If we don't get a bounce here, and I really love using this path tool. If we don't get a bounce here, maybe not so much. Maybe here. Then what I'm looking at is this. And this will take out this liquidity. And then of course, I mean, we have more stuff over here to the left, but this is now remember, like, this is our key level on the 4-hour time frame. These were candle body closes. So if it breaks this level, there's a pretty gosh darn chance that we're going to come down here to 71. Not saying that we will, but we might. So let's go ahead and write in here our thought process. So let's go to the settings, text, needs to bounce in this zone. In order to oh no, I just put if not. If not, then price may, nobody knows, continue lower. Let's go, we're going to continue lower. with a target slash bounce at 71,780. Oh, I forgot. It won't do all that text. Still won't do all the text. I'm trying to get the zone. Oh, well, doesn't matter. Let's see here. Put area. Okay. So that's what I'm looking at. Now, I do think it will take this for sure. Again, I hate saying the word for sure, but we have a higher likelihood of it continuing taking this wick. Could it bounce up? Sure, why not? All right, moving on. Let's see here, going in the list. And okay, I'm caught up with the chats. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues, let me know, or forever hold your peace. Yeah, but I got wrecked on that dumb wick this morning, man. And I was planning on it coming down. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. But right now I can't trade. I can't trade it. I gotta wait. I have to wait for either it to come down here and then start coming out, or for it to do something like this. Let's say it does come up. I can't enter it. I have to wait for the retrace, and then I can enter. And then hopefully it breaks out of this level, so that it continues going up. But right now I can't enter it, because right now it'll be the same thing that I was doing over here and here and wherever else it gets up. So that's my thought process on Bitcoin. Let's see here. Any coins y'all want to look at? Let's look at Pi. See, what is Bitcoin doing? Oh, it's market, man, Chop City. So I was trading this one all night last night, and I didn't catch this dump. But here, it looked like it was gonna bounce up. I'm glad I didn't take the trade though. But here it looked like it was gonna bounce up, and then the CPI data came out and bloop, got wrecked. Got double bottom. All right, low. Can't trade it though. And everything's just bad. P, P3, stacks. And the only thing I hate is that all these already moved. They can continue moving though. Yeah, I saw that. Robinhood listed PNUT and Popcat. That's acting extra volatile. Yeah, I saw that this morning. Oh yeah, sorry. I'm gonna be on you a whole bunch. I haven't slept. Let's see here. Let's look at some peanuts. Peanuts. XC. Starting to come up. Nice little move since the announcement. 7%. Too dangerous though. Daily. Take this stuff off. Nice bounce. Starting a higher low. 4 hour. Let's do this. That's one level. It's our other level. And I will probably do a stop loss right about here. And when you enter trades, it is not recommended to go all in. Let's say you're going to do $100. Like, you don't put $100 in right now. You put 50. Not financial advice, but you put 50. What's the stop loss? Just in case market dumps or the coin dumps. Yeah, Bobcat pumped and then it dumped just as fast. Yeah, and that's why it's really dangerous. Popcat always messes me up. I don't like Popcat. I don't trade Popcat. I tried trading Popcat, and every time I would trade it, I'd lose. I think I maybe won 2 out of maybe, I don't know, 6, 7 times that I traded it. I don't like those results. No, thank you. So I want at least a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Man. Let's do this. Target 50%. Stop loss. Oh yeah, forgot. Enter now. But when I started drawing it, it was right here. So that way I don't cheat. So right now price is a little lower than when I first started drawing this out. Let's see here. March 13th. Ooh, today's Thursday, right? Or Wednesday? Thursday. Yeah, buddy. What happened? What did I do? Oh. Time is 12:30. Joe, are you crying? No, I was yawning and now my eyes are teary. It's funny too, the last time somebody asked me, he goes, Joe, you high? It's like, no, I haven't slept. My eyes, they may look glassy or red. It's because I need some sleep. They're like, oh. It was on it was on Crypto Coin Mindset, the Friday show. Yeah, we were doing that. Like, Joe, you high? Oh no, I had just woken up. That's what I took, like a 2-hour nap. I just woke up. I was like, no man, I just woke up. I'm like, oh. But for this one, let's see. What do I think it's gonna do? I think it's gonna probably do something like this. I do want to get into a trade though. PNUT, I'm scared. Circles equal entries. So you would enter now. If it does come down, hopefully we don't get stopped out, but it's a high risk. I need some more sleep. Yes. So what do you do, Kelly? What do you do? Sea Cleaner says, we found some junk files, 13.2 gigs. Ouch. I don't like running it because then it takes away all my cookies. And then I have like a lot of Gmail accounts. I don't want to say a lot. Like maybe 8 of them, but I only use really like 5 of them. And I gotta log into each one and get on my phone and then go to all the websites and do blah, blah, blah. It's like, so much work. Too much. What do you do, Kelly? I'm interested. Let's see here. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? I want to get into a trade. Well, let's look at Bitcoin. I don't want to do cookie. Oh my gosh. Dang. And just imagine if we would have entered a short way over here in this. Oh man. I'm really looking at it too. Just afraid of this exact this. Would I enter this one for a long? No. Would I enter for a spot? Sure. But for leverage, it would have had to have come down and then start coming up again. This one I can't enter it. ICP. Wow. Link coming down. Cardano coming down, but not as hard though. Alex just said Cardano coming down to 67, 64. So you looked at Link, Tron. Gosh darn it, man. We got stopped out. We're in profit, but still, and look at this. Gosh darn it, man. If we would have had our stop loss right here, we would still be in the trade. Man, I hate getting stopped out. All right, so we're losing people, and there's no questions or anything, no charts. So we'll give it about 2 minutes, and then we'll call it a show. Man, I mean, it's good though. We had our target, our stop losses way up here. Then we moved it down. Then we moved it down again, and we barely got stopped out. ONDO down. Pi, I don't like how it's looking for trade. It's very wishy-washy right now. Bitcoin, it looks like it wants to go up, but no. Let me see. All Set's in the house. What's up, All Set? Yeah, so I've been asking for questions or coins. I think everybody's pretty much good right now. If you have a coin you want me to do, let me know. If not, we'll probably close the show early. Oh, I want to see this. The ISO. Everyone's in crypto could really use a spa day at this point. Yeah, 100%. So let's look on the 1 hour. Let's take off this junk. That way, kind of see. So Cardano, I mean, I like to see come down here. I'll go H bar, IOTA, once. This one actually hasn't really suffered like the other ones. See here, Kelly says, Army Piper said Sol was going to 102 or something. Look at Sol. So USDT. Go daily. Oh man, it's underneath our main level. So we have another level. Call it right here. Another level right here. Four hour. Come on. It's a good level too. Stops these as well. Okay. So now let us look at where are our numbers. Finally. So let's look at this. We're underneath our main level. It does not look like it's trying to break up. I mean, it's trying, but it's not really trying. if we break this level, we have an extremely high chance that it'll come down and take this liquidity and then possibly continue rolling over. So yeah, 102. Yep. See here. That's cool, Joe. I'm not liking the market myself. Yeah. So do you ever look at regular NASDAQ stocks? I got into Bitcoin ETF one a while back for dividend payments. Ticker is BITO. I mean, we can look at it. BITO. Said NASDAQ. Guessing this. These freak me out because of the gaps. Ouch. 3-day. Okay, well, we're right here at support. Like, whatever happens right now, probably in the next maybe week or two, is going to depend if we might start getting a bounce. Because right now it's looking extremely bearish. We have our high, lower high. More than likely, what might happen is the price might come up to here because of this little block. Might come up to here, then come down. Then this is their decision point. Is it going to break up and above this? If so, then good, because then our next level that we have to watch is here. We have candle bodies that close here. I know this is the highest point, but we have more touches here. And then this will be our next main level of resistance. Or, and again, we have to wait and see what's going to happen. Or, let's say it does come up and it comes down. Well, then now we're in a pretty deep continuation of it, because it's not looking. What I would like to see is, you know, this came down, so it's like this, came down, came up, came down. I would like to see this. I'm gonna enter. See here. Freezy, what's up, man? Any comments, questions, concerns, issues, coins? Make sure to smash the like. The likes do help support the channel. That way, of course, we can answer those for you. We do crypto, we do we do crypto, we do stock market coins, we do pretty much everything. Okay. Also, it says, don't be scared of the gaps. Oh, they freak me out. Freaks me out. It's like a scary movie. Oh, speaking about movies. So I wanted to watch Castaway yesterday, and I couldn't find it anywhere, not on YouTube. And then of course on Amazon Prime, they have it for rent, or you can buy, for rent is like $3. To buy it, it's like $5. And I was like, eh. And then there's a movie called Bridesmaids. Very funny movie. I've seen that movie like, I don't know, 5 times. And then I never realized it though, but in that movie, they actually watch Castaway. And I was laughing at that. I was like, man, I was gonna rent Castaway, but I'm watching Bridesmaids. They're actually watching Castaway, which is pretty funny. But I'll probably watch that today after I take my nap and then do my live stream for Piper. Hopefully I'll wake up for Piper, man. I don't want to, man, that'd be embarrassing. I'll wake up like at 6. Oh, sorry guys. Like I can do that on my channel. I can't do that on his. Maybe I'll just stay up and then sleep really good tonight. Or maybe I should just take a nap. So 2, 1, 2, 3. That's about 2.5 hours. No, no. See here. So he also says, don't watch them, Joe. It's fun to watch the gaps. No. K Diggity in the house. What's up, K Diggity? Wayne C. What's up, Wayne? Appreciate you guys for being here. Make sure to smash the like. This helps support the channel. Here. Very nice. Yeah, so I do want to get into a trade. Bitcoin, extremely tempting. Bitcoin bamboozled me earlier today with this, boom. and then me trying to catch all of these. I get bamboozled. Kelly votes for an app. Oh, I didn't even do a thing today. Oh, I have this on Top Chat. Oh, that's right, because I rebooted my computer. Okay, so I'm just checking to make sure I got all, yeah, I got all the chats. Yeah, we just, in Chop City, like all this right here, like, oh, come on. And I'm trading high leverage too. I'm getting stopped out. And then now I'm trying to catch it. I was like, man, that BNB was already moving though. Too late. Let's try to find a coin. Let's trade LPT. Yeah, we looked at PNUT already. I'm afraid of it though. Let's go 1 hour. Let's zoom in. Let's focus. If anything, I'd short it. 15-minute. But I mean, it just got listed on Robinhood, I think. So that could be push the coin up. Let's go 5 minute. Let's put on our cheat sheets, our indicators. Go to, so it's away from the 9 SMA, it's above these, so it's, I mean, it looks good, it looks healthy. It moved pretty much kind of far from it. I would like to see it come down to at least here. Maybe here. Let's just say I did enter the trade right now. My stop loss would have been right here. And let's see if I get stopped out. Oh, it's taking me too long to go over here. Taking me forever. Okay, PNUT. I'm gonna do it crazy. Let's see. Okay, 1781. One. Price it now. 1. Four. And try it. I mean, it's right there, and I'm gonna get stopped out. Oh, I got stopped out. I was pressing my luck. Pressing my luck. Oh, it didn't stop me out yet. It probably didn't refresh. Once it refreshes, it'll probably stop me out. Like, I'm literally like extreme, like, this is like ridiculous. And that screams to me, Joe, you cannot trade. It's like you're trading drunk. But sometimes I'll do that, where the price action is right here, and I do my stop loss right here, and it's like, you know, it's a ride or die type situation. And extremely high chance that I get stopped out, but the odds of it coming down, well, not the odds, but the fact that it could come down, and my, like, I was risking very little, like extremely little. Hey Sam, what's up? I'm surprised I haven't got stopped out yet. I'm really surprised. Maybe give it 10 seconds. We'll see. Let's see here. Hey Diggity says, "Hey Joe, happy to spend my lunch here." Hey K Diggity, man, you made me so happy, dude. Made me so happy. Let's see here. Woke up feeling sad today for Bitcoin. See here. I know, I saw it. I saw that layer AI pumped like 180% or some crazy number overnight. I missed the coin. Yeah. I was thinking about shorting it, but I was like, no, because at that moment for sure, it's like I'm revenge trading. Because that's when I got my butt kicked with Bitcoin trying to trade that chop. And I was like, no. I saw layer AI and I was going to short it. I was like, see here. You'll have to time that by, Joe. Good try. ETH going to 0. No. I'm in the trade. And that's like pure, like crazy just luck. Crazy luck. Hey, look at the amount of leverage. Joe, what are you doing? Yeah. Let me take some profit. Can't do it. Take profit. Okay. Yeah. So I took profit. Oh, that's funny. That's so funny. And I'm gonna move my stop into profit too. So my stop is in profit. I'm at 79. I'm at 92. I'm at 100 and I'm at 109. That's funny. That's freaking hilarious. 114. That's hilarious. Let me take some more profit. 50% market. Okay, I got some more profit. That's freaking hilarious. I'm at 114, 118, 123, 127. I'm gonna take some more profit pretty soon. That's freaking hilarious. 136. Oh, I was thinking it was gonna bounce here. 157, 158, 171. Who's gonna start clapping? 175. That's ridiculous. 197. Take some profit in case it bounces up. Okay, take some more profit. I'm moving my stop loss again. Really tight. I'm probably gonna get stopped out. Okay, doing another market. I'm at 193. Am I gonna get stopped out? I wouldn't be surprised if it comes up and stops me out. My stop loss is at 1747. I wouldn't be surprised if it stops me out. There's complete luck. Because I mean, as soon as I entered, I should have been stopped out. But I guess there was like a little delay. I'll tell you, it was that was right there was all luck. Because as soon as I entered, it wicked it. And then it came down and it's like, oh, it'll refresh to where it says that I didn't get the trade. There's very few times that this plays out, but when it does, granted, it doesn't happen this fast. But you know, I was risking very little and I already made some money. So right now 153, it's kind of slowed down already. I'm gonna take some more profit. Took some more profit. My stop loss is just like right up here at 1747. I took some more profit because I'm pretty sure it's gonna come up now. Nope, coming down. Nope, go back up. So it'll probably hit. Now I'm just staring at it. Oh, and then of course, when it was going all that high, that was just, I was being animated for y'all. When I see that, there's no animation. It's just, oh, let me do market sell. Give you a heads up. Man, This one, it was at 200, but it moved because it takes like a second for it to register. I'm stopped out. Now I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna go long right now. The long is boring. Let's go 74 long. Nope. It reversed. I'm not gonna go long. I mean, it didn't reverse, but it's putting red again. I was wanting it to be green, but so it'll probably come down a little bit more. That was funny. Let's see here. Let's see. Jump to the 1 minute, please, to see what the price action is. I mean, there's really no price action. It just came up and coming down. Like I was gonna try to get the long here, but then right before I could put it, I saw it flash red. I was like, no, because I wanted it green, and then pump. Right now it's very high risk. Very high risk. PNUT got listed on Robinhood today. Yeah, earlier today. That's very high risk. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? This was pure luck because I put my stop loss right here, and the reason I put it so tight was because I was doing such a high, ridiculously high leverage trade, which you should never do on a coin like this. Like that amount of leverage is okay for Bitcoin, but not something like this, because this can move a few percent very fast, and then I have it on leverage. Forget it. And here it goes dumping. It's all good. Julian, what's up, buddy? So yeah, just kind of give you a heads up. That one was pure luck. I mean, as soon as I entered, I should have been stopped out. So I will take it. Can you look at ETH? Yeah, definitely. Let us look at ETH. Nope, see ETH here. ETH, USDT, XC. Ouch. Go 15. Ouch. Are you trying to get long on ETH? What are you trying to do with ETH? Are you trying to spot hold for a period of time? Are you trying to scalp? Are you trying to just do a swing trade? What for a week or so? And here's our level that it needs to maintain. Broke that bad boy. Yeah, we can do Adam. Autumn. I don't see any really good structure right here. And we have a level right here. Kind of like a zone. See, it lines up here. I'm in a long with a head short. Oh yeah, your short's gonna keep on doing well. So yeah, I mean, you're good. And since you're already in them, that's even better. But if you're gonna try to get in, like, it's too dangerous for a short. It doesn't look strong, but it can easily just come down to get this and then shoot straight up. And then if you enter the short right now, then more than likely you get stopped out or liquidated. But so right now, currently, it's not looking good. Hopefully you're in some really nice profits on your long, because this doesn't look good at all. Trying to find something, I can't find anything. It's very weak. I mean, just like all the coins right now. To Adam. Autumn. Autumn. Let's go Mixie. Cosmos. Daily. So we had this zone. Trying to see which one I want. Let's see here. So this level, we have more stops here. That's why I did not choose this area. We have more stops here. I did not choose that area. Came down for this liquidity, but shoot, man. I think it's going to come down here around 175. 175. That's too much. About 50% decrease. I think it's coming out to right here, 44% lower, about 220, 218. I mean, nobody knows for sure. Now let's come in and look at this. Let's examine. Go to the 4-hour time frame. Here we're looking at Autumn. See, Julian says, Joe, what are your thoughts and advice when hedge trading? Have you done this before? Do you still do it? Why and why not? I love hedge trading. So if so right now the market is bearish, so I would be in a short with a hedge trade for a long. And so whenever, like, for example, here, let's just say I caught this and the market's bearish. Everything is bearish right now. Nothing looks good. So what I would do is I would be in a short. Let's say I caught it here. Sorry. Let's say I caught it here. And I see it dump and I see it starting to come up. So now I would do a hedge long. And let's say here I had a short 5x. On the way up, I would do a 10 to maybe a 20x. Because I don't expect it to reverse and now the market's bullish. I expect it to come up a little bit. Maybe 50%. Oh, shoot, that is 50%. 50%, maybe 38%. So I expect it to go about here to maybe here. So 38% to 50. And that's all I'm thinking I'm going to get. So that's why I have higher leverage, because I'm just looking for a smaller move. But I'm doing a long hedging against my short, because my short, I think, is going to play out more long term. Then as it comes down, it's like, oh, okay, maybe it's done. Maybe it's going to come down, take some profit off of my long. Then it comes down some more, and I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to take some more profit. Take some more profit. No, I'm going to sell it. I'm going to sell everything because I entered here. You know, I didn't catch the very bottom. I entered, let's say I caught it right here. I would have taken some profit up as it's coming up, and then as it starts rolling over, I take some more profit, and it rolls over some more. I close it, more than likely close it out, or have very little in it. Then it comes up. It's like, okay, cool. I'm still in my short. I'm still good. Comes up some more. It's like, oh crap. Am I gonna lose my short? I don't know what's gonna happen right now. I don't know if potentially I don't know if potentially it's going to one, roll over, or two, break my level and then I get stopped out. So now, because of this, I've already moved my stop loss, which might have been here. Now I have my stop loss like right here. And now I'm waiting to see what happens, because I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if it's going to, because nobody knows. The market could just flip. So now I'm just kind of watching it. And then now it's getting rejected by this level, which is good. Comes down. Okay, cool. I'm expecting it to take all this. Comes back up. Comes down. Okay, good. Comes up. But I enter along. Not really. It would have to break this level. And we did get a break of the level. But we can see, and I'm not saying it because the woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda after the fact, because everybody's a genius after the fact. But I'm seeing this zone right here. I can't go long anymore. And then sure enough, it comes up here to the zone, comes down. Now, if it breaks this level, then I would go long again, hoping that I break this level or get rejected, but still do a higher low. So then now let's say maybe it trades in this range. We don't know until it happens. But that's how I do that. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's see here. Army Piper was really bearish. Said ETH is 70% longs in the long short ratio this morning, talking about 1200 ETH. More than likely. Yeah. Everything right now is not looking great. And I hate saying it, because we've been looking for this moment for so long. We're already middle of March. Hate it. Oh, we're overtime, guys. So this is gonna be there's no more Sam, we'll get yours. See, Julian says, apparently there's a multi-million-dollar liquidation of ETH. Yeah. So there was a guy, he spent 23 mil. This is like 3 days ago. He spent $23 million on ETH to place lower bids. So that it's not like he's going to get liquidated for 23 million. That's how much he paid in fees to place all those orders, which were way, I think it was around 1,200. 1,200 to maybe, I want to say about 1,200. 1,200 at, I forget the number. I don't want to say a dumb number. Can you see? Maybe 14 to 1,200. He was putting a whole bunch of lower entries, and he spent $23 million on all those fees. And then there's a lot of people that are getting liquidated on ETH, millions and millions of dollars, and they're putting, they're adding to their entries, and they're still getting liquidated. Let's see here. Here, Kelly says, got worried, wondering if I should sell my ETH to try to buy lower, but probably a bad idea. As soon as you sell, it's going to go up. If you're in a loss, and everybody's different. Like for me, if I'm in a loss, 10, 20%, depending on how much money that is, yeah. Let's say I held ETH. Now it's down 15, 20%. If I have more money coming in, I wouldn't sell. If I had a job, if I had money just coming in, I wouldn't sell. Because I don't want to take that loss. I would just buy it when I have more money. But again, it's everybody's different though. AT&T is bouncing. Nice. Joe's been giving good hedge trading advice this week. Oh, thank you. See, Sam says has TAI. So this is going to be the last one. Unless y'all want to do donations. And if not, I completely understand. But we are way past our stuff. I love this one too. This one we actually have a an alert, and this is when the price was like around here. Man, it looks dead. Man, there's no movement, no ups and downs. I love this one. This one made us a lot of money. Total market cap, 75 million market cap. So now it's probably like a 50 million market cap. Now, what you could do, if you wanted to, not financial advice, you could potentially put $20 into this, maybe $50, and then tomorrow or 4 days, 5 days from now, put another $20, $50 at 0.03911, and then let's say another week or so, maybe put some money in. Now it could go to zero, nobody knows. And what I would be doing is like every 3 days or 5 days, I would just, if you like the project, then I would just put money in it and then have lower entries down here in case it just comes down really quick to come back up, then you're in profit. And let's just say you put a total of $300, not all at once, because you will move the coin more than likely, potentially. But let's say you put $300 total in it, $20 today, $5 tomorrow, $20 the next day, next week, whatever. And then let's say it does move. And let's say you enter, let's say right here, you're looking at a 7x. So that's pretty good return. Let's see here. Julian says, Joe, do you use the reverse button on trades sometimes? But when you do that, you're canceling out your long and you're entering your short. But what I like to do instead, I do this more now than the reverse button. What I'll do now is I'll have my long. So for example, now if I'm losing money, let's say I'm going long and my stop loss is here and the price action is doing this number and it hits a level and it starts coming down. Then instead of reversing, I will have my long open because long term, I'm thinking that price should go up, or let's do it the opposite way. Price is going to come down. So because we're in a bearish market, so price is coming down and price is coming down. And so I'm in a short here. Then it starts coming up and it breaks this level. Instead of closing my short, I leave my short open. My stop loss is up here and I can open a long to see if maybe this one, the market changes. I was like, okay, well, hopefully you took profit down here. But then my stop loss is in place. So the stop loss helps me from like switching and flipping. So I have a stop loss and hopefully I can move it in profit as soon as possible. But there's been a lot of times where I've done trades like this and my stop will be barely in profit. And then my long will be, a stop loss here. And I've already taken profit on my short and I'm leaving them open because you never know, it could flip over. And then now I get stopped out and I lose 15-20% on my long, but my short, because I didn't sell all of it, I sold some here, but it's continuing to come down. Now I'm continuing to make profit. I took a 10% loss here, 20%, but I'm still earning on my shorts. Versus if you close your short because you did the reverse, you enter the long, and then the long reverses, and then you get stopped out when then you lost on both. Because that used to happen to me a lot. When I would do the reverse, I was like, okay, I'll reverse it. I'm at a loss 20%. I get into this trade, and then it ended up going the way it's like, man. And then my stop loss gets hit. So I lost twice. Hopefully that makes sense. See here, Kelly, if you have it on spot, don't sell. Yeah. And that's very true too. Like if you have it on spot, I mean, just buy more. I mean, leverage, it goes down 20% and you're at a 5x leverage. Well, you just got liquidated. So, see here. Yeah, I'm not gonna hold strong. No. See, if it even goes to 1200, probably away. See, Julian says, question, if I'm in a long with the short hedge, would it be beneficial to reverse the short when it flips rather than closing it? All right, so of course, never financial advice here, but if I was in a hedge short, no, if I was in a long, so for me, like, what coin is it? Is the coin overall bullish? Man, the snow was gone and it dumped a few inches on us. Nice. Julian, what trade are you in? Because you're in a long with a short hedge. Would it be beneficial to reverse the short when it flips rather than closing it? And then Julian, let me know if I answered that question already, because I kind of answered that question twice. It's on ETH. Let me know if I answered that question, because I literally answered that question twice, like within the last 3 minutes. So you're in a long. I would not be in a long. I would be in a hedge long to where, you know, short term long. The short I would keep. Like I would definitely not close out a short. The long, if I'm in profit on the long, without knowing where you entered, when you entered, how you entered, what profit you're in, and there's so many different questions. And if you're still in profit, if you're still in profit, would I sell? Sure. If you're in profit, I would sell it. If you're at a loss, make sure you have a stop loss. But I mean, to me, I don't know. Maybe you entered along here, which I mean, that's fine. I would have too. And then I would have gotten wrecked. See, yes, you did, Joe. Thanks. Okay, good. See, would you short Sol? Most of them already moved. Most of them moved too much already. Man, it looks so bad. Sol does looking for a short. Broke this level. Underneath all this, they're all bunched up. 15 minute. Broke this level. Looks like it's going to come for all this. Kind of like Bitcoin did. Not saying that it will. Okay, fine. I'll go short on Sol. Very high risk trade though. It's not really moving. So 0 fees. Go to a 1 minute. I'm gonna have my stop loss really tight. I'm gonna do a market order as well. So short. Okay, so I just opened a short. Ah, it's on limit. Hopefully it gets it. If it doesn't get it, it's 122.74. Looks like it's gonna dump. Go to market. I'm gonna paste it in. I'm gonna do this on market in 3, 2, yeah. I pushed the wrong button. Okay, so I just entered the short. And just into the short. It's not looking good though. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add to my entry right here. So 122.88. I'm going to use a limit to add. Okay. 122.88. Stop loss is 123.11. So my stop loss is put in, my limit order is put in. Let's see. Hey, we got Crypto Princess in the house. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm driving, so just lucky. Hey, thank you for coming in. Appreciate you. Gillian says, great stream. Thanks for the knowledge. Yeah, definitely. Let's see, Joe, always feel free to put a link to your live stream in my Discord. Oh, okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you. See, that other guy on Army Piper show wants long BITO at like $2, I think, on a pullback. See, that other guy on Army Piper show wants long BITO at like $2 on a pullback. So I'm guessing that's a coin. Jeffrey, you don't want to know. You don't want to know. You don't want to know the leverage. I don't recommend doing this, guys. I don't recommend doing this. I trade with very little money. Very little money. So when I do stuff like this, I'm not using like a crap load of money. I'm getting my stop loss and moving it in profit, barely in profit. I'm closing out my higher entry. So my stop loss is now at 122.47. So 122.47 is my stop loss. We'll do this in red, I guess. And I canceled my other one. So I'm going to take some profit right now. I'll take 50%. Just so I can secure something. So I took 50% right now. And then I'm in profit. So hopefully, see, I don't like when it dumps that hard. Because now I'm expecting it to come up to about here. But if it does come up to about here, I get stopped out. But then hopefully it comes back down, and then I can try to get it again as it's rolling over. But I do not recommend anybody doing this. This is dumb. But I'm trading with very, very little money, like extremely little money. and then the amount I'm willing to lose is like nothing. So give you a heads up. So I do expect it to come up. If it does, it'll stop me out. I don't like when they drop it. What I wanted to see was it come down, up, down, up, down, up, down, like that. And if I wanted to, I could long, because I'm thinking it's going to do this, but then I have to maintain it, and then no, I just wait. So here, what leverage did you use? Yeah, don't do it. Don't you trade BITO? Let me see what that coin is. I don't know what that coin is. JITO. No, I don't trade this one. USDT. USD. Crypto. Guess weeks. Oof. I don't even know if this is the right coin. That's ugly. I wouldn't trade that. Oh, I stopped out. I got stopped out already. Let's see here. Hope you're safe out there. I thought you were trading that for a while. I've never traded JTO. I think that's a ticker, JTO. I've never traded that one. No, Wes says I'm at 100x. You're doing cross leverage. I never do cross leverage. Rib chat. What's up, buddy? Yeah, I don't like doing cross leverage. I'm afraid my account going to zero. That when I first started, my account went to zero multiple times. Oh, now it got. I thought I was stopped out already, but now it got stopped out. Oh, Jupiter. Yeah, we'll look at Jupiter. I love Jupiter. Jupiter MXC. Oh, it makes me so sad seeing this. Wow. Shoot, man. If I had 10 grand just to throw, I'd put it in Jupiter. Man, I put 5 in Jupiter, 5 in Radium. I love Jupiter. That's so horrible. 50 cents, 49 cents. And it was at $1.89. That's horrible. Let me see what the question was again. See here, that other guy on Army Piper show wanted to long. Oh, what? No. It depends on your risk management. I mean, me, I wouldn't. I mean, it's rolling over. More than likely, come down here 46.85. But I mean, if you have a low leverage, sure, you can enter here, because coming down to where I think it might come down to, nobody knows, it's 6%. So you'd have to do like maybe a 3x, maybe a 5x, and just be prepared to, you know, have multiple entries. And what I do, like say I want to do like $200 on this coin, I don't put $200 in, you know, especially if it's higher risk. I'll put 50. Even if it's not so high risk, I'll put still 50. So that if it reverses on me and it goes down 50, 70%, then I'll put in 100 or 150. So now, as soon as it starts going up, I'm in profit. Yeah. See, is that the whole soul? I'm guessing. Let's see. Oh, so it didn't go up as high as I thought it was going to go. Oh, maybe it is. Maybe it's not. Oh, man, I can't be talking. So, short. 2311. I don't know what 2311's at. Wait a minute, what time frame am I on? Oh, 5 minute. Man, I'm missing out on moves. So I entered. I did a market. I must stop. Oh, it's a limit. Dang it. Limit. Let me cancel. Let me get this and move it down. I thought I was on market. So let me go to market. Let me move my stop loss. Let me go here and try it. And this one I might get stopped out. I don't know. Very high leverage, very tight, very tight. Sometimes I win, sometimes I lose. But one thing that I would recommend, that if you are going to trade Solana, put low leverage. Don't do what I'm doing. Put low leverage and just wait it out, because you could have your stop loss way up here versus right here. I have no cushion. I literally am laying on a bed of nothing but springs. Here, you're laying on a bed with, you know, the cushion, the cedar peak, can't even say the word. The orthopedic topper. That's this right here. Me, I'm sleeping. I'm laying down on the springs. Extremely high risk. But I'm just putting in a little bit of money. And if I lose it, But if it comes down and I win, okay, great. But for like real trades, you know, I'd have it up here, stop loss. I do like a 5x, maybe, it depends. So whenever I'm doing my my leverage, it depends. So let's say I entered here. Oh man, shoot, I can do a 10x leverage because I only want to lose 10%. This could be an easy 10x leverage. Easy. See here, when you're closing your soul short. Don't know what you meant. When you closing, it had closed. So this red line was my stop loss. Now this is my stop loss now. So let's put this in red. So my stop loss actually got hit. And then as it's rolling over, I thought it was going to roll over higher. But as it started rolling over, you know, I'm front running it, which is very dangerous. I don't recommend anybody doing this. Like what I'm doing right now, I don't recommend, like, normally when I'm trading, I let, and this is more for entertainment, and because I'm trading with very little money, I let this come down and the candle close. Like here, I would have entered, not where I entered. I would have entered here. And I, you know, this account, I'm doing high leverage. It's a test. That's true. It's a challenge. It's a challenge / test. And trading with very high leverage, like ridiculously high, to see if, you know, it can be successful. Now, I've won some really nice trades, but I've also lost some really nice trades. As a matter of fact, this morning, I mentioned this at the beginning of the stream, I got wrecked. I got wrecked on Bitcoin's news. I thought it was going to go down, and eventually it did go down, but that news that we had on the PPI, I mean, I got wrecked, and I was trying to go, it's bullish, but it really wasn't. It was this, we were at the same level. So that wasn't good. Y'all guys tricked me. I was supposed to be done half an hour ago. You guys tricked me. Well, I'm not gonna take a nap. I can't do it because then I won't wake up for Piper. I'm not gonna do it. I won't wake up for Piper. See here. Julian says, why don't you show us the live trading like you were a couple of weeks ago? I can. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, let me take this off. It's just ahead of my other screen. No biggie. Y'all want to see the, oh man. Y'all want to see the trades? Just tell me. Let's see here. Can y'all see? Y'all can't even see it. There you go. All right, I just have $5 in. I think it was willing to risk $1. Let's go here. But the thing with this, like my trading is very handicapped. Like I already clicked it. I clicked it a long time ago, and I have to wait. There's like a huge delay. I don't know if it's my internet or this, but I'm willing to lose 81 cents. So even though I'm trading with very high leverage, I'm still managing my risk. The risk is still high, but I'm still managing it. Give you a heads up. See, Julian says, why don't you show us your live trading? Yeah, if y'all ever want to see me doing it, just say, Joe, can we see it? Yeah, no problem. But just know there's a delay from YouTube to what you're seeing. So that's why I always try to say what I'm gonna do prior to doing it. So here we go. So here, hey, don't know what that, okay. Sled dog race is going on. Hey, there you go. 1,000 mile race across Alaska. Really? That's crazy. Got it. One more out. Whatever, Joe. We don't want you to go. See here. You can nap and set an alarm. No, I can't. I've done that before. There's been times where it's like, you know what? I got an hour. I'm gonna go an hour, and it's gonna. That's all I'm gonna do. 1 hour. And my alarm would literally be right here, right by my head. I don't hear nothing. Because I haven't slept in like 36 hours. Not, oh, maybe it's been like that, more than that. I don't even know. 48 hours, I don't know. It's been some time. So right now, I'm not moving my stop loss. I need to move more. I'm not taking profit. I need to move more. Give you all a heads up. Okay, now we're talking. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this into profit. Then I'm gonna come over here and take some money off the table. So 50%, and this is a no fee, and I'm doing it, I'm selling. So look at this, that got cut in half. So now we're good. And I'm gonna move my stop loss just a little bit more, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna come and get me. But I don't want to put it too tight, just in case it doesn't come to get me. But if it does, I'm in profit. See, Julian says, it helped me a lot when you were doing it a couple weeks ago, specifically how to navigate the exchange site. Oh, okay, cool. And if y'all want to send me a tip, y'all can. It'll be to buy some sleeping pills, some Benadryl, and I actually have sleeping pills. I don't like taking them. You know why? Because it makes me sleepy. Yeah, I don't like taking them. I have sleeping pills from the doctor, but there's times where they make me too sleepy, where when I wake up in the morning, like, I don't even want to wake up. And people say, well, just come in half. And I do. I come in half sometimes. And there's times where like I haven't slept in like a while, like 36, 48 hours. Hey, there we go. Popeyes. And I will go and I'll take a whole pill and I'll still be up. I was like, are you freaking kidding me right now? And then sure enough, maybe like 4 hours later, then I'll crash out. But man, when I crash out, ooh, doggy. Talk about a good sleep. And then I'll sleep for a good solid 8 hours, maybe even 10. That's crazy. But yeah, whenever y'all want to see the live trades, just let me know. And then, so y'all saw like how I moved my stop loss. Once it started moving, so now I'm in profit. Now, if there was a fee, Sometimes because I trade so little money, and I always stress that, like, I'm not trading with $100 or 500 or 1,000 or nothing like that. I'm trading with very little money so that when it does come down, like, I'll move it in stop loss. So if I'm gonna get charged sometimes 30 cents, 50 cents, what I'll do is I have to make sure that I'm at least making that much money. So give you a heads up. See here, Alaska news source daily updates, very nice. You can see the dog sleeping at the checkpoints. That's so cute. All tips go to Popeyes. I might get Popeyes tomorrow. Oh, I forgot. So here, because it dumps so much, I could go long, but I don't want to. I could go long, and I'm thinking it might come up here if it goes, because look how far away it is from the VWAP. So it could come up to maybe break above the 30 to here, and then I get stopped out of my short, but I be my long, and it starts rolling over, and I just repeat the process. But I have a stop loss here for my long. So if it doesn't go and I get poop, I get stopped out. So, but this is a good long-term or longer-term trade to hold for a few days or so, but not with this leverage. The leverage I would recommend on this is 10x. 10x leverage is good. 5x maybe. 10x. 10x would be good. Let's see here. Whoa, that's too long without sleep. Oh yeah. So normally I try to get, 6 hours of sleep. Normally. Sometimes it's just 4 hours, but usually I try to get at least 6. And then there's times where I just can't sleep. I'll be tossing and turning. It's like, all right, well, let me get up. Let me go to the charts. Let me, watch a movie. Let me do something. And then, like, I can only do that for like 3 days. Well, staying up for like 36, 48 hours, and then going to sleep for like 4 or 6 hours. And then I can only do, my body can only do that for like a little bit. Not that I'm trying to do it. It's just, that's what happens. And then when I go to sleep, I'll sleep a good 8 hours. Yeah. Man, this one kind of ran out of gas. Like, it's not going up or down. It's just, I don't want it to go up. I wouldn't be mad if it did. The blue line is the VWAP. So on all of my charts, they're all the same color scheme. So my blue line is my VWAP. My white line is my 9 SMA. And my orange line is my 30 SMA. So here, no sleeping pills for me, just good old organic. There you go. Melatonin. Yep. Let's see here. Hey, Lost on Crypto. What's up, buddy? What is up? We've kind of already finished up already. We're just kind of messing around, playing with some high leverage trades. Let's see here. If I don't go for a walk outside every day, I can't sleep. That's what I need to do. I need to be more, because I don't do anything. I just sit down all day, which is very bad. Really. Very, very bad. But now we're just waiting to see what happens. I know. Let's play some music. Do I have it on here? It's not this one. While we're waiting, play some music. This will be good. And then let's make sure that y'all can hear the music. So I know right now I'm playing. Let's turn off the background music. Over here. This. Verify. Everything wants you to verify now. Are we coming up? In my library? My lights. Oh, songs, lights. So let me know if y'all can hear it, and then let me know if there's an echo too, because I'm not gonna mute my mic. So let's see. Ready, set, and
They see patterns that don't exist.
y'all hear an echo, right?
Flags and twists. Fake gurus drawing lines out of thin air, talking about patterns that ain't really there. Real traders squint, shake their head, spin in their chair, still see nothing ahead. They make it up, acting so wise, convincing new traders with nothing but lies. See a wick, call it a flag. Market moves, they just love to brag. Say it's a breakout, say it's a trend, but it's just a guess, not skill in the end. Trade intuition, see through the bluff, price action clean, that's more than enough. Fake gurus making patterns out of air. Real traders look, but nothing is there. Squint, shake, spin around twice, still can't see what they claim looks nice. Trade intuition, keep it clear. No fake charts, no hidden fear. Just price, just flow, just learn. While fake gurus watch markets burn. They got confidence, they make it sound right. Selling a dream, but the vision ain't tight. New traders looking, trying to believe, but that pattern's a ghost. Just tricks up their sleeves, saying trust the process. Stick to the script, but change the story when markets dip. Trade intuition, don't need that fluff. Risk and patience, that's more than enough. See real traders move with control, while fake gurus just act real bold. Talk in circles, never commit. Saying up, saying down, always legit. Fake gurus making patterns out of air. Real traders look, but nothing is there. Squint, shake, spin around twice, still can't see what they claim looks nice. Trade intuition, keep it clear. No fake charts, no hidden fear. Just price, just flow, just learn. While fake gurus watch markets burn. Trade intuition, don't see that shape. Price action clean, no need for escape. No wizards, no magic, no tricks. Just real moves, just real picks. No paid groups, no secret doors. Just daily streams, just teaching more. No need to squint, no need to guess. Charts don't lie, let go of the stress. They keep preaching, claiming they right, till the market proves them wrong overnight. Then they flip it, say didn't you hear? Plan A, plan B, I made it all clear. Nah, they just hedge, playing both sides. Never commit, just cover with pride. Trade intuition, don't play that role. Stick to the plan, stick to the goal. Let the market tell you the way. No fake flags, no made up plays. Stick to the facts, read what you see. Trade intuition, breaking it free. Fake gurus making patterns out of air. Real traders look, but nothing is there. Squint, shake, spin around twice, still can't see what they claim looks nice. Trade intuition, keep it clear. No fake charts, no hidden fear. Just price, just flow, just learn. While fake gurus watch markets burn. They want you confused, they want you blind. But real traders Read price, not lies. Trade intuition keeps it real, while fake gurus just steal. Trade intuition in the building, yeah. Warning you about the fake gurus. They talking riddles, but we see through it. Let's break it down so they can't fool you. Fake gurus won't teach, they just tax your hope. Sell you a dream, got you tied in a rope. Say they got knowledge, but they won't share. Unless you pay up, then maybe they care. New traders tricked, caught in the scheme. Guru already left, but they selling a dream. Are you still in? Yeah, they acting so bold, but they ran scared when the market got cold. They flip the script, never take a stand, saying price might drop or maybe it'll advance. No plan A, just a web of lies. So no matter what, they acting wise. Fake gurus play both sides, never wrong, just switching tides. Saying up, saying down, but never tell you how to break it down. They trick new traders, acting all smooth. Already left, but playing it cool. Trade intuition keeps it real, no shady deals. They trade like a noob when it comes to risk management. When the trade starts to go the wrong way, they cancel it. Selling the hype while you beg and please. Talk about 3-to-1 risk management, but they never show. Only post profits when markets blow. 3-to-1 risk, but they cash out fast. Preaching patience, but can't even last. See them clap when they finally win, like it's luck, not discipline. Real traders move with precision, while fake gurus keep you in a prison. Echo chambers can't ask why. One real question and you're denied. Fake gurus play both sides, never wrong, just switching tides. Saying up, saying down, but never tell you how to break it down. They trick new traders, acting all smooth. Already left, but playing it cool. Trade intuition keeps it real, no shady deals. Trade intuition, keep it raw. No gimmicks, just real law. Charts don't lie, just read the game. Price action speaks, forget the fame. No Rolex, no fancy ride, just discipline. We let the skill decide. If you wanna learn, you ain't gotta pay. Daily streams, I teach the way. They call themselves pros, but they scared to hold. Only chase trends when the move unfolds. No real plan, just talking disguise. Make sure they win no matter the side. They love the hype, they love the shine. Tricking new traders all the time. Trade intuition, breaking it down. No flex, just truth all over town. Fake gurus play both sides, never wrong, just switching tides. Saying up, saying down, but never tell you how to break it down. They trick new traders, acting all smooth. Already left, but playing it cool. Trade intuition, keep it real, no shady deals. Yeah, they talk big, but they can't trade. Trade intuition, see through the shade. No flex, no hype, just skill. Now go study them charts, because this is not a drill. Trade intuition with daily live streams. Learning for free doesn't have to be a dream.
Yo, they selling dreams but never back it up. Talk a big game but never stack it up. If you ask the wrong question, they acting all tense. Cause deep down, they know they lack common sense. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Fake gurus won't teach you less you pay that fee. They ain't trading, just selling some false belief. They got echo chambers all filled with clones. Not in agree, don't think on your own. Ask them real questions, watch them get mad.
We'll probably get stopped out right here. We'll see.
With hype and some lies showing rented cars, flexing fake lifestyles. Fake gurus won't teach you, gotta pay to play. Acting like pros, but they trading in replay. Don't ask questions, they dodge and deflect, cause it might just expose what they don't know yet. Echo chambers, just hype and noise. Tricking new traders with rented toys. Trade intuition keeps it real, no flex, just facts. Trade intuition, put the truth on the track. They promise riches, they promise.
Yeah, everything is just horrible right now.
The show, just a flashy site, a paid group. Same old scam, man. You know the name that rhymes with scam. They don't trade, they just post receipts. Screenshots crop so you can see the heat. Acting like bosses, acting like kings, but without their sign-ups, they ain't got a thing. Fake gurus won't teach you, gotta pay to play. Acting like pros, but they trading in replay. Don't ask questions, they dodge and deflect, cause it might just expose what they don't know yet. Echo chambers just hype and noise, tricking new traders with rented toys. Trade intuition keeps it real, no flex, just facts. Trade intuition, put the truth on the track. They don't want you to think, they just want your cash. Feeding you lies so their pockets get fat. But trade intuition is here to change that, to show you the way. With daily live streams, not a dream. Forget the noise, focus on skill, price, actions, the key. That's how you build, keep it simple, no magic plan. Just patience, discipline.
Getting ready to get stopped out right now.
No flex in here, I don't need to pretend. No rented cars, just charts and trends. You wanna grow, then put in the grind. Forget the scams, develop your mind. No shortcuts, no magic key, just risk control and strategy. Trade intuition teaches for free. Live streams on deck while they just sell you dreams and a false success. Fake gurus won't teach you, gotta pay to play. Acting like pros, but they trading in replay. Don't ask questions, they dodge and deflect, cause it might just expose what they don't know yet. Echo chambers, just hype and noise, tricking new traders with rented toys. Trade intuition keeps it real, no flex, just facts. Trade intuition, put the truth on the track. Yeah, don't let them trick you, don't get scammed. Watch out for the scammy cup and handy.
I'm surprised I haven't been stopped out yet.
Dreams, but never back it up. Talk a big game, but never stack it up. If you ask the wrong question, they acting all tense, cause deep down, they know they lack common sense. Let's go. Fake gurus won't teach you unless you pay that fee. They ain't trading, just selling some false belief. They got echo chambers all filled with clones.
All right, so 1 second.
Fake gurus won't teach you, gotta pay to play. But they trade in replay. Don't know yet. Echo chambers just hype and noise.
All right. So those are just some songs that I have. Working on those. I was working on those last night actually. But I think I'm gonna get something to eat. Then get ready for my. See, man, it's 2, 3. Man, I got 2 more hours. 2 more hours. But so you pretty much see how I do it. Where I'll enter the trade, and then I'll have like if I'm going short, I'll enter the trade, and then I'll have a higher entry for the short, so that my stop loss, I can put more money in, and my stop loss, it's not making me lose so much money. And then if it moves down fairly quick, like this one did, move down fairly quick, then I cancel my higher entry. I put my stop loss in profit like right away, and then I take profit. And I just do all. That's all I do. And sometimes I get stopped out right away. And when that happens, like, okay, I lost a trade. Let's go again. Because what I'm looking at is for the price to come down. Now it may go up before it comes down, but I'm looking for it to come down. But right now, not too shabby, you know. Making $1 at a time, so that'll work. But I think that's gonna be it for me. I do thank you guys very much, and we will see. I thought I was gonna get stopped out already. Like, all right, guys, I gotta go. Bye. But so far I haven't. But I'm gonna get stopped out like any minute now. But I do thank you guys very much. So here, Trump said there could be a shutdown this week. Must be affecting the market. Probably. That's crazy. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, guys. So that's all I got. I do thank you, and we will see you on the next one. So I'll be doing Piper at 4. Hopefully I wake up. If I go to sleep, I might be in the chair just kind of nodding off, and then beep, beep. It's like, oh no. So we'll see. All right. That's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, let's make this money. Take care, guys. The awkward looking down, and oh, I think you already heard this song, but this will probably be on for the next time. We'll see.
Trade intuition in the building, yeah. Warning you about the fake gurus. They talking riddles, but we see through it. Let's break it down so they can't fool you. Fake gurus won't teach, they just tax your hope. Sell you a dream, got you tied in a rope. Say they got knowledge, but they won't share. Unless you pay up, then maybe they care. New traders tricked, caught in a scheme. Guru already left, but they selling a dream. Are you still in? Yeah, they acting so bold, but they ran scared when the market got cold. They flipped the script, never take a stand, saying price might drop, or maybe it'll advance. No plan A, just a web of lies. So no matter what, they acting wise. Fake gurus play both sides, never wrong, just switching tides. Saying up, saying down, but never tell you how to break it down. They trick new traders, acting all smooth. Already left, but playing it cool. Trade intuition keeps it real. No shady deals. They trade like a noob when it comes to risk management. When the trade starts to go the wrong way, they cancel it. Selling the hype while you beg and please. Talk about 3-to-1 risk management, but they never show. Only post profits when markets blow. 3-to-1 risk, but they cash out fast. Preaching patience, but can't even last. See them clap when they finally win, like it's luck, not discipline. Real traders move with precision, while fake gurus keep you in a prison. Echo chambers can't ask why. One real question, and you're denied. Fake gurus play both sides, never wrong, just switching tides. Saying up, saying down, but never tell you how to break it down. They trick new traders, acting all smooth. Already left, but playing it cool. Trade intuition keeps it real. No shady deals. Trade intuition, keep it raw. No gimmicks, just real law. Charts don't lie, just read the game. Price action speaks, forget the fame. No Rolex, no fancy ride, just discipline. We let the skill decide. If you wanna learn, you ain't gotta pay. Daily streams, I teach the way. They call themselves pros, but they scared to hold. Only chase trends when the move unfolds. No real plan, just talking disguise. Make sure they win no matter the side. They love the hype, they love the shine. Tricking new traders all the time. Trade intuition, breaking it down. No flex, just truth all over town. Fake gurus play both sides, never wrong, just switching tides. Saying up, saying down, but never tell you how to break it down. They trick new traders, acting all smooth. Already left, but playing it cool. Trade intuition, keep it real. No shady deals. Yeah, they talk big, but they can't trade. Trade intuition, see through the shade. No flex, no hype, just skill. Now go study them charts, because this is not a drill. Trade intuition with daily live streams. Learning for free doesn't have to be a dream.
The trade is now at 74%. Love it. All right, guys, that's all I got. I do thank you. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. The scammy cup and handy. I love it. The scammy cup and handy. You know it. You know it. I know it. We all know it. I love it. Surprised you caught it. Very nice. All right, that's all I got. Take care, guys.